Hello friends, welcome to Quantsapp. My name is Dharminder Rajbhar. Today we are going to learn about swing trading of 1 year of swing trading, that how to do swing trading for the whole year. This video is especially for those people who are interested in swing trading, who are professional people who have no time to analyze huge number of stocks, who have no time to sit in front of the screen for entire day to do the intraday trading. So this video is for them. Alright. So in this video I am going to solve all the problems that how to select the stock. Okay, I will do the back testing. I will give you a perfect setup which will help you to analyze your intraday, not intraday. It will help you to analyze your swing trading strategy. It will help you to build up a best swing trading strategy. Alright. So let's start with the swing trading strategy. First I will tell you about the concept, that which tools I am going to use. Alright. I will explain every tools in details, then I will show you how to use those tools and how to improve your strategy. Alright. First I will tell you which tools I am going to use. Okay. So first tool I am going to use is RPG. Okay, that is relative performance graph. Alright. I will explain you this tool in details. Okay, I will explain you this tool in details. It will help you to understand in a better way, and it will optimize your trading strategy. Alright. Second tool I am going to use is sector seasonality. Okay, because it will help you to select the stocks. Alright, select the stocks. Okay. Now let's go to RPG. Alright. So this is Quantsapp application. Alright. So Quantsapp application, in trading tool under quant model there is relative performance graph. Okay. So this is the interface, okay, which will help you to understand that how this tool will work. Alright. So let me explain you each and every quadrants, each and every aspect of this tool in details. Okay. So that it will help you to understand the market in a better way. It will help you to understand how stock perform, how stock complete its cycle in a perfect way. Alright. So yeah. Alright. So here you can see this tool consists of 4 quadrants. Okay, 4 quadrants, the blue one, purple, then the green one, okay, then the gray one. Alright. So I will explain you in details. Okay. The first one is progressive zone. Alright, first one is progressive zone, then second one is strong, okay, third one is laggard, and the fourth one is weak zone. Okay. So let me give you the details about this quadrants. Okay. The first one is progressive. Okay. So whichever stocks comes into progressive, okay, there is an indication that there is a bullish trend. Okay, there is a bullish trend has been generated in this particular stock. That means this particular stock might go uptrend. Okay, we have certain parameters to consider the uptrend of those particular stocks. Okay, so whenever stocks comes into progressive zone, that means there is a bullish trend in that particular stock. Let's just say the Apollo Tire, ABFRL, all these stocks. Okay, and you can also use the bracket to consider indices. Alright. So here I have first quadrant, that is progressive. It will indicate there is a bullish trend, that bullish trend has been generated in that particular stock. So I can buy that particular stock, or I can buy the future, or I can buy the option. Alright. So any of these instruments I can buy in that particular stock. Now the strong quadrant will give you the idea of the momentum. Okay, will give you the idea of the momentum, that this particular stock is in momentum. Okay, has already picked up the pace. Alright. So might be it is reaching to the resistance, or might be it has broken its resistance. So I can hold it further. Alright. So the strong quadrant indicate the stock has already is in uptrend. Okay, is already in uptrend. It is had to pick up the pace. It's in momentum. Alright. Now the laggard zone indicate bearishness. Okay. So whichever stocks comes into laggard, it indicates there is a bearishness in that particular stock. That means I can sell the future, okay, or I can take the put, all right, or I will draw a strategy for the bearish market, all right. So whichever stocks comes into laggard, I will exit my uptrend trade and I will enter into the downtrend trend, all right. Now the weakness, okay, the weak zone, it indicates momentum of bearishness, okay. That means it is further going down, it might break the support and it can go further down, all right. So weakness shows the momentum of bearishness, strong shows the momentum of bullishness, okay. So these are the 4 quadrants. Now the center one is neutral zone. Oh, so in neutral zone I will not initiate any trade, okay. That means the market is sideways, the particular stock is in sideways zone, all right. So I will not consider neutral zone, all right. So now everything is clear, okay. Let me give an idea how to take the trade, okay. So let's just say whenever the stock is in weak zone, okay, whenever the stock is in weak zone, you can consider that it is making sideways, okay, it is spending lot of time over there, all right. Then afterwards you will see the stock will come into progressive zone, okay. There has to be some sideways, okay, or maybe V shape like this, okay. When stocks move from weak to progressive, only I will consider the stock which is moving from weak to progressive. That means that stock is considering going uptrend, so I can initiate the trade for bullishness, okay. I can buy that stock, I can buy the future with hedge, I can buy the option, but I will go with the option strategy. That means I can go with the spread, all right. So here whenever the stocks come into this zone, okay, I will buy that stock or future or any other instrument related to that, okay. Now whenever stocks move from here to strong zone, whenever stock move from here to strong zone, you will see maximum number of times it is giving you like 4 to 5 returns, okay, maximum number of times. Sometimes it will give you 2 to 3% return, okay. Maybe there is no volatility, or maybe you can say the results are bad, okay, or market is not pulling up that particular stock in that great manner, okay. So what can I say here? If it is giving you 4-5% return, okay, so if you are satisfied with that profit, you can exit from that particular position, okay. If you want to hold it, because in strong zone it is in momentum, okay. So advice is here is to hold that particular stock, okay. The system is saying that you can hold that particular stock. For that you need to consider the resistance, okay. So if that particular stock is near to the resistance, okay, look for the OI, that means open interest, okay. If the call writers is unwinding from that particular level, you can hold it, it might break out that particular resistance, okay. Then you can hold it for further, okay, it will give you further 4 to 5% return, okay. So in general it can give you 10% return, okay. So that is how it will work. If unwinding is not happening, just close that trade, okay. 4-5% profit is enough. You can enter in a fresh trade considering new stock, okay, for bullishness or bearishness, okay. Just exit from that particular trade, all right. Now this is for bullishness. Now let's go for bearishness, okay. So whenever stock moves from strong zone to laggard zone, okay, that means there is a bearish trend. So here I can sell that particular stock. That means I will not sell the cash, because I am going to hold this position. This is a swing trading, okay. So I will sell the future, okay. I will sell the future and I will cover that also. I will go with the hedging strategy, all right, or I can go with the option strategy, right. One point here is very important, okay. Please note it down, okay. It is not necessary that you will wait for the entire cycle to complete, okay. That means you are entering over here, exiting over here, because many times stock will not give you that kind of return, okay. But if you are holding for longer duration, that not for 10 days, 15 days or 1 month, you are holding for 1 year, then you can go with that. You can enter over here, you can exit over here, because in a 1 year period it will give you huge return. Alright, it will give you huge return. So, you can enter over here and you can exit over there. Alright. So, this is the cycle. Alright. Now, if I am selling a stock or I am taking the bearish position, I will wait till the stock enter into the weak zone. Okay, that means this is the momentum of bearishness. Now, what I will do here the bearishness, okay, I will hold my position in that particular strike. I will look for the ROI still like 4 to 5% return. Okay, I am happy with that. I will exit from that position. If not, I will look at this support. If it is weakening, it is likely to be broken down, I will hold. If it is broken down, it will give me further few percent return. Okay, if not, it is strengthening, that means put writers are adding up their more position. Okay, so I will exit from that particular trade. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, one thing we need to understand, that only stock entering from weak to progressive or strong to laggard, that is the only trade I will consider. Okay, I will not make any fresh trade in weak zone, in neutral or in strong zone. Alright. So, this is the trade setup. Alright, this is the trade setup. Now, let me give you the idea. Okay, just a minute. Let me give you an idea that how to consider the stocks. Okay, now I can create the basket. I can create the basket over here. Okay, just click over here. I can choose the stock any one out of 180 stock. I can choose any stock. All right. If I select any stock like this, let's just say here, you can see. Okay, this one. Okay. Now, if I'll continue, the basket will save. So I will click here, save basket. Basket will be saved. Now, whichever basket I am creating, it will be over here. All right. It will be over here. Now, I have to select the basket on the basis of sector analysis, because every sector doesn't perform every day. Okay, some sectors perform very well in particular season, in particular month. So according to sector, I will take the trade. So how to analyze the sector? That is very simple. Okay, very simple. So what I'll do, I'll go to analyze. And you can see under price and volume, that is sector seasonality. Alright, sector seasonality. I'll select over here sector and I will select for table view. Now, from last 5 years, here look back period is 5. Now, if you want to consider 7, if you want to consider 10, you can do that. Okay. Now, here I am considering 5 years. Now, I will look for this sector. I will look for the sector and I will look for the months in which that particular sector is performing really well. Now, here I can see in 2024. All right. So here I can see from the last 4 years, okay, from 2020 till here, which sector is performing well. Now, in you can say in the January month and then February month, most of them are red. So I will not considering taking a bullish trend in that particular stock, in that particular sector. Now here in the March, I can see out of 4, 3 are green. So I will consider for going bullish. Okay. Now here and also in April, okay, I can consider it, but 2020 you can see this is a pharma sector. So of course in 2020 the April month when the corona came, so obviously it gave 34% better, because I will not consider that thing because it is a rare thing to happen. Or all right. So what I'll do, I'll select May or I'll select June or July. So here you can see in July every time. So this is a rainy season. So most of the people they feel not well in that particular month. So I'll go bullish in July month. Okay. So now for pharma sector, okay, for pharma sector July is good. Now how to select the pharma sector stocks? All right. For that I'll go to track. I'll select Synoptus Future OI. Here I'll go for pharma stocks. Okay, I'll go for pharma stocks now. So these all are pharma stocks. Okay, these all are pharma stocks. About India, Alchem, Oro Pharma, all are pharma stocks. Okay. Now I will considering buy only when these stocks come into progressive zone. Okay. Now let me show you in relative performance graph how it can be done. Okay. Now here basket 10. Okay. Now here I have already created pharma stocks. Okay, I have already created. Wait, in just a minute. Yeah, pharma. All right. I have considered six stocks. All right. Now you can see all these stocks how it is performing. Okay. Now blue line, below blue line you can see the blue line indicates the 20 days data. That means from last 20 days how it is performing. Okay. So I will just click on here. Okay. Now here you can see the Biocon how it is coming to progressive, then how it is moving to strong zone. All right. Okay. From Biocon to Laurus Lab. All right. Just a minute. Let me show you. Okay. So Biocon. Okay. Now here you can see Metropolis, Laurus Lab. Okay. Lupin, Auropharma. These all stock are in weak zone. Okay. All are in weak zone. Now I will consider going for bullish. Okay. Now the Biocon enters into progressive zone. Okay. Now here, okay, you can see the graph. Biocon first enters into neutral zone, directly into neutral zone. Then again came back into weak zone. Okay. I will consider stocks only when it moves from weak to progressive zone. Okay. Now you can see Laurus Lab and Metropolis entering into progressive zone. Okay. You can see Laurus Lab, Biocon entering into progressive zone. Okay. Now you can see on next day how it is moving to strong zone. All right. How it is moving to strong zone. So that is how you are going to make the profit. Okay. So whenever the stocks entering into here, okay, into the progressive zone, okay, go to the chart, look for the real price right now, real price, because this data will not show you the price, it will only show on the basis of data whether the stock is in uptrend or downtrend. All right. So here what you will do, just look for the stock which is entering into the progressive zone. Okay. Then go to the chart. Okay. Mark the levels. Okay. You will see where the price is. Okay. It will show you the real price. Then you can buy that particular stock. Okay. Find the latest swing and you can place a stop loss over there and enter into the trade. All right. If you don't want to go trading with the chart, okay, just enter over here. Okay. Let's just say the stock is coming to progressive zone. Okay. Buy that particular stock. You will exit from that particular stock only when it is hitting the neutral zone or the weak zone. Okay. That is your stop loss. When it is entering into the neutral zone or entering into the weak zone, it will consider your stop loss. All right. Then again, if it is enters into progressive zone, you can buy that particular stock. That is how you are going to take the swing trading. Okay. Now here most of the stocks, you can see it will be in bullish trend. Okay. Only when the market is going down for last few days or maybe for a month, then only you will see the stock is coming into laggard zone. Otherwise most of the time it will be in uptrend, or maybe the company is not performing really well, then only you will find that particular stock is coming into laggard zone. So you can see I have shown you pharma sector stocks. Okay. Now let me check. Okay. I'm sorry. Let me check another sector. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to sector seasonality again. All right. I'll select sector over here. Okay. Just a minute, I will select sector over here, I will select table view. Okay. Now here you can change the sector also. All right. You can change the sector, you can change the look back period. Let's just say I want to go for 6. Okay. I want to go for 6, so I will go for 6. Now pharma, this is the power sector. You can see in July the power sector is performing really well from last 2 years. Okay. Now here one thing you need to consider, if it is performing really well from last 2 to 3 years, then it is a green signal to enter that particular stock. But if there is a random green blue, okay, so just avoid that, because here you can see random green and red, I am sorry, not blue, random green and red. You can see here, okay, in the month of May, okay, you can see green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay. So that is why it gave you only 1% return. So 1% return is not really good. Okay. So here you can see, okay, August it is giving me right now minus 5.9% because market is also going down, okay. So not to worry, because if it is going down you will not consider buying directly from here, okay, unless it is coming into progressive zone in the RPG, all right. So not to worry about that, okay. So again here, okay, September month, all right. Now I will look for, okay, I will look for November, okay. So November I can go for it because November the percentage is also high, so I will wait for the November, all right. Now for this particular month, okay, I want to consider for this particular month, this is August. So here August reality is not good, okay. Go for the telecom, okay, telecom is also not good. Auto sector, yeah, auto sector is also not good. So apart from pharma, no sector is giving me return right now, okay. So bank nifty stocks, obviously bank nifty finance stocks, I can go with that. Now here, yeah, now I can see the August month, the capital goods, the cement sector, okay. Now, okay, FMCG is going good, so I can go with the FMCG. Fin nifty stocks, no, not fin nifty stock. IT sector, yeah, I can go with the IT sector. Infra, I can go with the infra, all right. Now IT sector, okay. So go with the IT sector. So for IT sector, I'll again go to RPG, okay. So here if it is giving you negative performance, it doesn't matter, all right, because when it is going down, okay, then only it will come up, and when it comes up, then it comes into you can say progressive zone, it will give you huge return, okay. So that is a good sign if it is going down, okay, and when it rise up, then it will give you good return, all right. Now here I will go for the IT sector. So here IT sector, okay. Now you can see these are in progressive zone, all right. It is already coming from weak to progressive. So in IT sector, the trade is the trade is setup is ready, I can go ahead with the trade, okay. So this is all about swing trading for last 1 year, okay. For the whole year, how you can do the setup, how you can select the stock, and how you can do the trading using the RPG tool. So this is all about swing trading. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have any doubts regarding the tool, call on this number. The advisor will help you out. This is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Thank you very much.